In today's lecture, we will explore the major companies that have shaped the evolution of microcontrollers, from the early pioneers of embedded electronics to the modern leaders driving innovation in IoT, automation, and intelligent systems. Microcontrollers are one of the most important components in modern embedded systems. They are commonly described as a computer on a chip. Unlike traditional microprocessors that require external memory and peripherals, microcontrollers integrate several essential components into a single integrated circuit. Major_microcontroller_ companies. A typical microcontroller contains a CPU that executes instructions, memory for storing programs and data, input and output ports for interacting with sensors and actuators, and various peripheral modules such as timers, ADCs, communication interfaces, and sometimes even wireless connectivity. Because of this integration, microcontrollers are widely used in automation systems, consumer electronics, robotics, industrial control systems, and IoT devices. Now let us begin with the early history of microcontroller development. The evolution of microcontrollers began in the 1970s and early 1980s when semiconductor companies started integrating processing and control functions onto a single chip. One of the most influential companies during this period was Intel Corporation. Intel introduced the Intel 4004, which was the world's first commercial microprocessor. Soon after, Intel developed early microcontroller architectures such as the Intel 8048, which combined processing capability with input-output functionality and became widely used in early embedded control systems. Major_microcontroller_ companies. Around the same time, Texas Instruments made an important contribution by developing the TMS-1000, one of the earliest commercially successful microcontrollers. This chip integrated processing logic, memory, and control features on a single device, demonstrating the concept of dedicated embedded control systems. Another important company during this era was Motorola, which introduced the 6800 processor family, later evolving into microcontroller designs such as the 6801. These devices were widely used in early industrial electronics and control applications. As we moved into the 1990s and early 2000s, microcontrollers began to evolve rapidly with improved architectures and specialized embedded solutions. One of the most significant companies during this period was Microchip Technology, which introduced the PIC microcontroller family. PIC microcontrollers became extremely popular due to their Harvard architecture, cost-effective design, and reliability in industrial automation systems. Even today, PIC microcontrollers are widely used in industrial control, instrumentation, and embedded product development. Another influential company was Atmel, which developed the AVR microcontroller architecture. AVR microcontrollers are known for their efficient RISC architecture and single-cycle instruction execution. These microcontrollers later became extremely popular in the global maker community because they were used in early Arduino development boards. At the same time, STMicroelectronics played a major role in transitioning from traditional 8-bit microcontrollers to powerful 32-bit ARM-based microcontrollers. The company introduced the STM32 series, which uses ARM Cortex-M processor cores. These microcontrollers offer higher processing performance, improved peripheral integration, and better energy efficiency, making them widely used in industrial, medical, and automotive systems. Major_microcontroller_ companies. A major turning point in embedded systems occurred in 2005 with the introduction of the Arduino platform. Arduino provided an open-source hardware and software ecosystem that made microcontroller programming accessible to students, hobbyists, and engineers. By simplifying programming through C++-based libraries and providing standardized hardware platforms, Arduino dramatically expanded the embedded systems community and accelerated innovation in robotics, automation, and IoT projects. During the same period, the ARM Cortex-M architecture became the global industry standard for microcontrollers. ARM processors offer high performance combined with ultra-low power consumption, making them ideal for embedded applications. The Cortex-M series ranges from entry-level processors such as Cortex-M0 to high-performance cores such as Cortex-M7. Because ARM licenses its architecture to multiple semiconductor manufacturers, companies such as STMicroelectronics, NXP, and Texas Instruments have adopted Cortex-M processors in their microcontroller families. In the last decade, the rapid expansion of the Internet of Things has introduced new leaders in the microcontroller market. One of the most influential companies in IoT development is Espressif Systems. Espressif introduced the ESP8266 and ESP32 microcontroller series, which integrate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity directly into the microcontroller chip. This integration significantly reduces the complexity and cost of IoT system design. As a result, ESP32 microcontrollers are widely used in smart home devices, industrial IoT systems, wireless sensor networks, and remote monitoring platforms. Another major player is NXP Semiconductors, which focuses heavily on automotive electronics and industrial embedded systems. NXP produces high-performance microcontrollers such as the i.MX-RT series, often called crossover microcontrollers because they combine the processing power of application processors with the deterministic real-time behavior of traditional microcontrollers. These devices are widely used in automotive safety systems and industrial control equipment. Infineon Technologies is also a major leader in the microcontroller industry. Infineon focuses on hardware-based security and ultra-low-power embedded systems. Its microcontroller families, including Oryx and SOC, are commonly used in automotive control units, industrial safety applications, and secure IoT systems. Modern microcontroller development is driven by several important technological trends. One key trend is ultra-low power design, which enables battery-powered IoT devices and wearable electronics to operate for extended periods with minimal energy consumption. Another major trend is the integration of wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LoRa directly onto the microcontroller chip. This simplifies system design and reduces the need for additional communication modules. Security is also becoming increasingly important in embedded systems. Modern microcontrollers include advanced security features such as secure boot mechanisms, hardware encryption engines, trusted execution environments, and secure key storage to protect embedded devices from cyber threats. Another exciting development is edge artificial intelligence. Some modern microcontrollers now include specialized hardware accelerators capable of running machine learning algorithms locally on the device. Semiconductor companies are working on smaller and more energy-efficient designs, as well as specialized microcontrollers optimized for medical devices, automotive systems, wearable electronics, and secure IoT networks. Advanced technologies such as sensor fusion, energy harvesting systems, and embedded AI processors will play a major role in the next generation of intelligent embedded devices. Thank you for watching.